Welcome to Z Tech Advisor, your go-to destination for simplified cybersecurity and IT topics. We believe that learning about cybersecurity and IT should be enjoyable and straightforward, so we break down complex concepts into easy-to-understand explanations. Get ready to dive into the exciting world of technology with us. Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of steganography, also known as digital watermarking. Steganography is a technique that allows you to hide data or a secret message within an image without changing its appearance. Steganography is the process of hiding information within another file so that it is not visible to the naked eye. It's the art of hiding information in plain sight, and it's a particularly valuable tool for secret communication. Unlike encryption, which makes data unreadable without a key, steganography hides the fact that any communication is taking place at all. One common technique involves hiding text within an image file. This method takes advantage of the large size and complexity of image files. Understanding the basics. Image files are composed of millions of individual pixels, each with its own color. This is why the resolution of a photo is often described in terms of megapixels. For example, a 30-megapixel image has 30 million individual pixels. Steganography modifies some of these pixels slightly, such as adjusting the shade of a pixel by 1 or 2 tones to create a hiding space for other information. If a few thousand of these 30 million pixels are altered, the changes are imperceptible to the human eye. However, with the right software, someone aware of the embedded message can extract it. Steganography is used in various fields for different purposes. Cybersecurity. It can be used to hide sensitive information within non-sensitive data, making it harder for unauthorized individuals to detect or intercept. Digital rights management. Steganography can be used to embed digital watermarks into multimedia content to protect copyright. Covert communication. It can be used to communicate secretly, as the existence of the communication is hidden. Remember, while steganography can be used for malicious purposes, it also has legitimate uses. It's a powerful tool, but like all tools, it's important to use it responsibly. That wraps up today's video on steganography from Z Tech Advisor. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more fantastic tutorials. Stay safe and happy learning!